Miss Alexander. I'm on a roll today. I wanted to share with you, you know I love these books. Another Mo Willems book. This one is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Okay, now take a notice here. That's Elephant. And if this is the case, you realize who Elephant's best friend is. I'm a little bit worried about this book. Lots of tissues around there. All right, here we go. Pigs make me sneeze. Oh. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes? What? What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! That's quite a forceful sneeze there. Look at that. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! Oh, now you, Elephant, first of all, should not be sneezing like this. This is going to get the germs everywhere. Elephant should be sneezing into his elbow. Thank you very much. I cannot stop achoo! Oh my gosh. He needs a tissue. Sneezing. Oh no. What if, oh, even Cash is wondering about this. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Oh my gosh. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. Or I'm thinking maybe into his elbow, right? But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. That would be devastating as friends if you couldn't be near your friend. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Oh, look at Piggy's taking preparations there. He's ready. She's ready for this. Chew. Oh, goodbye, Gerald. Oh, look at, I'm thinking this maybe is a doctor. What do you think? That's the word sniff, so I know to go like I'm sniffing. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Oh, we were right, it's a doctor. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Ooh, wait a second. Piggy's not there, but he's sneezing. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. This is the word thud, so I made that gesture in my reading. I thought that's probably what it sounds like. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. Oh boy. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Wait, why would he be happy about being sick? Piggy, great news. He has a cold. I have a cold. Good for you. Oh, look what happened. Piggy has a cold now too, because Elephant was not responsible and didn't catch his sneeze, didn't wash the bottom of his hand. Well, like, they kind of like were using them as hands, but did not wash his feet. My goodness. Let's find Pigeon. Can you find Pigeon? There he is. He's got a little ice pack on his head. He must have a cold too. I love you. I miss you. I hope you like this book, Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And I'll read to you again later. Love you. Stay well. Bye. And cover your sneezes.